Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Yeah, that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your...
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay honey, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Cynosure Hair. Shout out to you Cynosure for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And I hope I'm saying that name right, because if it's wrong, honey, if it's wrong, y'all let me know in the comments. But y'all know I'll mess a name up, okay? But anyway, so the unit I am rocking is their number 33 Redish Brown Auburn Color Body Wave Wig. I have it in a 13x4 and it is 26 inches long. I'm gonna go ahead and go on the site so I can get more details and specs. I also want to mention you can get an extra 20% off with the code YTB20. So yeah, there's that. Okay, so on the site it says number 33 Redish Brown Auburn Color Kinky Straight and Body Wave Human Hair Wig 13x4 HD Lace Front Wig. This unit is available in 12 to 32 inches, all of those being even numbers. It's available in a 13x4, a 13x6 and a 4x4, and it is available in a body wave as I have, and it's also available in Kinky Straight. So it says the brand name is Cynosure Hair. It's 100% human hair from one donor. It's available in the body wave and kinky straight. The density is 180%. The color is Auburn Copper / Reddish Brown. And the cap size is the average size number 22.5 inches. So those are all the details and specs. Now, as far as this unit goes, I did not have to tweeze. Well, I did tweeze the parting some in another spot. It wasn't even this spot. Well, I did tweeze the parting some, and when I showed you guys that I tweezed it, I was parting it somewhere else, and then I decided to part it somewhere else. So I didn't show when I tweezed this side. I mean this part or whatever. But as far as tweezing the hairline, I did not touch old girl. I did not bleach the knots. How you see her is how old girl woke up. Okay. Other than me messing with the part a little bit. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this unit, I haven't noticed any. It's not to say that it won't. It's just that Straight Out the Packaging is not doing any other things. It may at some point, but right now it's not. So that's always a good thing. There's always a plus for me. And as far as it being big head friendly, it does have a pre-attached elastic band, and I have it pretty tight. I think you can make this unit work across the board, but in my opinion, it's more medium to large head friendly than small to medium head friendly. But I think you can make it work across the board. But honey, I only got the head that's on my shoulder, so take that how you want to take it, girl. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit is going to be that it's a 13x4. Okay, so you already know that. That is like a standard con for me. I wish I had known that it came in a closure because you guys know I love a closure, girl. Okay, I love a closure, but that's going to be my con. Now the pros, honey. I love that I didn't have to bleach this unit. I love that I didn't have to tweeze this unit. I love this color. And I tell you guys all the time that this is a color that I tend to gravitate towards more in the fall and winter months. But honey, I am going to be rocking Auburn all summer from the looks of it, okay? Because the Auburn hair has been coming through with the come through. So, I love that. And, I actually love the length. It's given. Now, it's not something that I can wear on a daily basis, honey, because I'm mom, okay? I need some hair that's not in my way. But as far as date night with bae, honey, okay, trip hair with bae, perfect. Okay, so, yeah, I love the length as well. Yes, I would obviously recommend this unit for the pros that I already gave y'all. Like, I would recommend it. Even if you're not somebody that typically wears this color hair at, you know, certain seasons like me, honey, we stepping outside our zone, okay? We getting outside our comfort zone all 2023. So, even if that's the case, still get her. And you gonna love a girl, okay? And everybody gonna love it on you. So, yes, I would recommend it. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 and lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. All right, y'all, let me know your thoughts and opinions on this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Let me know if you're feeling the deep side part. Let me know all the things, honey. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Cynosure, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm hosting this on Snapchat and on DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I'll see you next time. Bye.